Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to All Natural Kasim. So I am so excited to be here with you guys. I'm so excited to be sharing with you guys today. Come to think of it, I'm always excited to be here. I don't know. I think something is wrong with me. Seriously, right? Anyways, I hope you guys have been staying safe and spending time with your loved ones and keeping in touch, right? It's very important in these times. However, today in my video that I'll be sharing, this style is a fairly simple one. At first look, it might seem a bit complicated, but believe me, it is not. It is not complicated at all. As long as you have an understanding of how it's done, it's not complicated. So hopefully I'll give a good enough description of how to do this style or some steps that might be helpful. At least I hope they'll be helpful to you, right? I really do. So first, let me say this is a rubber band method. It's a rubber band method or rubber band style. However, you'll not be seeing much rubber band. It's weird, right? You won't be seeing much rubber bands in this style. I mean, you'll see them when I'm putting them in, but in the end, you won't, right? So, yes, I chose to do, let me first say, I chose to do 3 rows instead of 4. Initially, I had planned to do 4 rows, but I changed my mind. I changed my mind, right? Changed my mind. Decided to do 3. Seeing that I'll be demonstrating, I decided to do 3 rows. It would be easier for me to demonstrate the style using 3 rows because honestly, guys, this style, it will tire your hands a bit. Trust me, it will. My hands are a bit tired at some point, but I'm getting used to I've gotten used to being in my hair over the years, so it's not so much hard work for me. But like, if you are, say, someone who was never really the type to style your own hair and you decide to try out this style, then it's going to be a bit tiring for you. However, you can just rest a bit, if anything, rest for a few seconds and get back to it, right? So yes, I chose the 3 rows because it will be easier to demonstrate the style. Also, I chose to use these shapes. You can choose whatever shapes you want. At first I was thinking probably a bit of semicircles or half circles, well, the same as semicircles, or full circles or stuff like that. But then I said, no, they will be a bit more complicated, so I just go with these shapes. So I chose these shapes because they will be very simple. Also, guys, the main thing to keep in mind when doing this style is sharing. Yes, sharing is caring, right? We have heard this term so many times. Yes, sharing is caring. So in this style, you basically just need to share as you go along. So as you saw a while ago, after putting on the rubber band, I split that part of my hair in 2 in order for the next one to have a share of that section of my hair, right? So I put on the rubber band and I split my hair in 2. I split that tiny section in 2 so that the other part can have a share of what that one section of my hair, right? I hope you're understanding what I'm saying. Yes. So I did that, and that's what I'll do for the rest of this part of the style, right? So I split each time. So each section I split, except for the last section, of course, because that's the end of the top right there. Right, so each section I split. Also, what I do is everywhere that I put a rubber band, as I was stating before, it's a rubber band style, but you won't really see rubber bands. I put my accessories right on top of my rubber bands. So what it does is that it will give the illusion that there is no rubber band present whatsoever, right? And that's what I like about this style. It just simply shows that it makes it seem as if there is no rubber band at all, and it makes it really cute actually, because even though it's a rubber band style, the rubber band is very helpful, but in this case you're not really seeing it, right? But it's there. It's like the, what will you say, it's like the foundation, the foundation of the style. And then the accessories are like the paint and everything else that you put on the house after it's finished, like when you're building a house. Yes, that's what the accessories are for. So the rubber band are very necessary. They're like the foundation, and your accessories are the finishing touches after everything is finished, right? So yes, I put a rubber band almost everywhere, and everywhere I put a rubber band, I put a cute little shiny thingy. I really don't know the name, but you know what I mean, right? So yes, guys, I hope you just enjoyed the video. I think I'm talking a lot right now, but I hope you guys understood what I was saying, and let me know what you think. Let me know what you guys think below. If you have any questions, you can simply state them in the comments or ask them in the comment section, and I'll be more than happy to respond to them. Yes, I hope you will enjoy the rest of this video, and don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. Yes, please and thank you very much. Now please have yourselves a wonderful day and continue to stay safe, guys. God bless you.